Today's recipe is for people who hate salad. I am people. I hate salad. It's just not very exciting, let's be honest, except for this salad. This green mango salad is the perfect balance of sweet, salty, tangy, spicy. Oh my gosh, wow, that's spicy. Those Thai chilies do not play. This is far from your boring salad. And it gets my husband Josh actually excited to eat it. And if that's not a win, I don't know what is. For this green mango salad, we're going to be making the dressing first. We're gonna grab our mortar and pestle and add a couple cloves of garlic. We will add a few Thai chilies. This depends on how spicy you like it. I love spicy stuff. If it's not making me question my life choices, it's not spicy enough, but you're probably more sane than I am, so adjust it to your taste buds. We're gonna grind this up in mortar and pestle, but if you don't have a mortar or pestle at home, you can just mince this up and it'll still be fine too. This is also like free therapy too. If you have a really bad day, I pounded the chilies so there's no more big chunks, which is what we're going for. Add some brown sugar, which will add sweetness. Adjust your seasonings to however you like. And it really just depends on how sweet your mangoes are too. If you taste your mangoes and it's more sour and you want more sweetness, add more brown sugar. If your mangoes are already sweet, maybe pull back some of the brown sugar or add more lime. It really just depends on how sweet or tangy you like your salad. We're gonna mix up our brown sugar so that it creates a paste. We have the sweet, spicy, garlicky flavors. Now we're gonna add the saltiness with the fish sauce. This also adds umami as well. This is pretty much equal part sweet and salty so far. And then I'm also adding a couple tablespoons of fresh lime juice that I squeezed earlier. And for extra tang, I'm gonna add tamarind paste. If you're not familiar with tamarind paste, it's a super tangy, almost like caramelly flavor, but it's a key ingredient in pad thai and it's super easy to make. You can get the block of tamarind concentrate from the Asian markets and just soak it in boiling water. It's so easy. I made a video here on how to make it, and then you can make a big jar like this for these kinds of salads. And then if you have extra, you can make pad thai too. If you can't find it, you can skip it, but if you have the chance to get it, I highly recommend trying to get your hands on it. It's looking good and it smells so good too. Like I could smell that fresh lime, the spicy chilies. Now let's taste it. Oh yeah, that's really good. Initially you taste the sweetness from the brown sugar and then the tanginess, and then immediately after that Thai chili kicks in and lets you know it's there. Oh my gosh, wow, that's spicy. Those Thai chilies do not play. Oh my gosh. The more I have it, the spicier, like the spice builds. But I love it. I love spicy food. So this is perfect. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, so now let's get all the ingredients for the actual salad stuff. Let's talk mangoes. This is the star of the dish, and I'm using big green mangoes. This is different than those smaller yellow mangoes, which are super sweet. They're equally delicious, but different. These, when they're underripe, they're very firm and crunchy. They're also more sour, and the longer you let them ripen, the sweeter they'll get. So the salad really depends. Traditionally in Thai salads, they're more on the sour side, so they're underripe, they're crunchier, they're more sour. If you like that, then you're gonna look for a firmer mango. If you like your mango sweeter, which is my preference, it's gonna be softer, it's gonna be sweeter. This is my trick too. I love smelling fruit too, so oh yeah, I can smell the mango flavor if I smell the stem. I call it the butt of the fruit, but that to me indicates that's going to be more flavorful. So to cut the mango, I'm just gonna peel it, and I like to pull it towards me. I feel like I have more control that way. If you feel like you have more control peeling away from yourself, basically use whatever makes you feel safest and more stable, just like in life. Then I'm gonna slice the sides here, and I'm just gonna keep slicing till I hit the pit. Slice again. And then this is a little snack for later because I'm not gonna waste it. I wanna make thin strips about that thick. I've peeled and sliced 2 more mangoes, and so that's a total of 3 mangoes. Now for the cucumbers, cherry tomatoes for extra brightness and juiciness, red onion for a little bite. I like adding just a handful of what is this, mung bean, just for extra crunch, but this is totally optional. Now we're gonna add a few herbs. I have some cilantro, some mint here. I mean, technically you can fold this into each leaf, but like honestly, I'm not gonna do that. I think it's just a win that I'm eating salad in general. Now that all our veggies are in, let's add the dressing into the salad. I'm going to wear my gloves so that my hand doesn't smell like fish sauce and burn from chilies. So gently massage so that the juices from the tomatoes mix with the salad dressing. Let's add our herbs, the brightness from the mint, freshness from the cilantro, and then Thai basil. Now let's plate it. I'm literally just gonna grab a handful and just start piling it on high. Oh yeah, I'm so excited to eat salad today. We have crushed peanuts here as extra texture and crispy shallots too. All right, and that is our mango salad. Cheers, homie. I love the sweet, ripe mangoes with the crunchy peanuts, sweet shallot, and then the heat from the Thai chilies just slowly builds and builds. Oh, there's so much exciting flavors and textures in here. That's why I love eating this. That salad dressing is the winner. It just brings everything together because you have the perfect balance of sweet, salty, tangy, and then a punch of spicy flavor. You can try this with papaya salad too, which is what I'm gonna be making soon in a video. So let's see if Josh is available so he can taste this too. You already know what it is. Chief taste tester is here.
My chief taste tester has.
Slippery, huh? Just like you.
Cheers. This is a super fresh and sweet and refreshing salad. When you have the mint mixed in with all the flavors of the mango and papaya. Ooh, baby.
There's no papaya.
Wait, really? I thought...
No, no, that's a different salad. You swap the mango for papaya, so you can use either papaya or mango. Which one are you tasting? The cucumber or the...
I'm tasting the magic. Great mouthfeel. The mangoes are perfect. Of course, once you bring to the cucumber the crunchiness, which is, to be clear, not papaya, apparently. This is gonna help me eat salad.
Yeah, that is a win. Would you recommend to a friend?
Yeah, but I'll tell them the papaya is it.
And that is our mango salad. The link to the recipe will be in the description. Check it out. And until next time, toodaloo.
No papaya?